Hello ladies, my pleasure to see you again. HARBOUR FREIGHT trencher. This machine pretty inexpensive, 3,600 bucks roughly. They delivered to me, drop it. I did assemble it somewhere by the main road because we live in the forest, in the mountains. That's why they couldn't deliver it, because truck was like 53 feet long. It's pretty simple to assemble. Only thing, you need some kind of jacks to lift parts, because I was doing it by myself using my man's power, but that was torture. I spent like 3 hours to assemble it, and it wasn't nice. It was pretty hard work. Didn't like it at all. Not my pleasure to do this kind of things. I don't know how people back in the days used to move logs, stones. That was torture back in the days. We're so lucky to be born this time around. I ran short on English words, so I think I would rather show you how we start digging bunker. Why bunker? You know why bunker, because we have to. We're thinking about bunker going deep from Vermont to Canada. That long. I think like 300 miles, roughly. We'll see how long it might take me to dig. For some reason this kingpin didn't lock in. I don't know why. I did deliver this beast uphill, and now for the sake of this video I did attach it again. I tried to attach it, didn't work. Don't know why, but this beast on warranty, so I think we'll be fine. I love this beast. It's fast. I hope it's durable. On YouTube channels that I was doing research about this beast, I realized it lasts forever. Not forever maybe, but pretty long enough. For sure long enough to justify its price. Instead of renting from Home Depot for $1,000 excavator backhoe, 1,000 for 1 week, I would rather buy it. I can do it as I pleased. When it's too much heat, I don't work. When it's rain, I don't work, because it's in my possession, my precious. So please, gentlemen, subscribe and we'll give you much more content. Also, we're gonna go to the forest right now, pick up some stones, because I wanna do the arc. The entrance to this tunnel, to this bunker, would be arc tunnel. Yeah, it will be a kind of project, but next videos you will see how I'm doing it. It's not difficult. I mean, technologically it's not difficult, but it takes a lot of power, manpower, to lift stones. And this is how you know whether you whining baby, crying baby, or when you man. When you drop the stone on your feet, Personally, I realize I'm somewhere between. I can cry, but I'm still doing it, and I successful in finish the project, but I'm still crying doing it. In the process, I usually bitching about it. So please subscribe and you'll see how real men cry.